Hey guys, how you doing? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to the channel. This is LG TV. I received a question. Someone asked how to download apps. Okay, a particular app you want to your LG TV. So we start off by switching the TV on. The rules are you need to make sure your TV is connected to a Wi-Fi network. Okay, and this particular TV is connected to Wi-Fi network. So what you need to do is you need to select home from your remote control, and it will take you to these homes. Now you need to scroll down, use the down arrow button to go to channels. You will see channel free. Then you use the side button to scroll. It will take you to now. If you scroll again, it will take you to Netflix, BBC iPlayer. So you keep going with side button, arrow button, to you will see where it's written apps. Okay, then you need to select the apps. Use the round center button to select the apps, and you will see apps on your TV. And will start to look for apps that is available. It will show you featured, entertainment, game, news and info, life and education. You can scroll down to specific app you want and select particular app you want, and download it. Like this Roku TV, is app and it's free. So what you need to do is you need to use the side button again, scroll to Roku TV, then you select on it, and you can see this app is available already and it's showing us, so you can update it. You also, if you want to go back, then you need to press the side button for you to go back to the main apps again. Let's say the particular app you are looking for is not available here. You can also search. You go to the search bar and type the name of the app. So use the up button to go to featured, then you scroll side, entertainment, use the side button again to the game, news and information, then scroll again to life, scroll again to the education. Then you can go up. If you go up, once you reach to the education, then you go up to search button, then you select search button, and it give you option for you to type in the particular app you are looking for, maybe YouTube or any app. Let's say I want us to download Iroko TV. Then you use up button to scroll down to particular alphabet, like Iroko start from I. You select I, then you scroll down again and look for where it's written R. Then you select R, use the center button to select R. Now scroll down again with down button to O. Then select enter. It will show you. So now we're looking for K. Scroll down to K, to the particular alphabet. Then you type K and it's showing us Iroko. So now we're looking for O. Scroll down, select O. Now it's showing us Iroko. Now you need to scroll down again to descend to gap. You select enter. It gives you a bit of gap. So you need to select this. It's for gap. Then you go up again and type TV. Scroll to TV. Select T. Enter. Now the next is we are looking for V. Scroll down with down button to V. Select. And it's showing us Iroko TV. Then the next thing you need to do is you need to go to search. So scroll up and scroll down to search, and you can see search. Then use the center button to select search, and now it's searching for Iroko TV. So if you scroll down, then you scroll down to YouTube, and you can see all these are features from Iroko TV. So Iroko TV is on the YouTube. You can see it will show you that particular videos or any information with the Iroko TV. But if it's the TV that got its own app, it will show you. But Iroko TV is pretty much films that on YouTube. So you need to keep an eye on the white line underneath the apps. So that's how you know where app or channel you are looking for. So we are looking for apps here, and you look at the white line underneath it, then you select apps. It will take you to this. So this is exactly how this works. If you're happy with this tutorial, please do me a favor, like, share and subscribe. It helps the channel. This is how to download a particular app you want, YouTube or any other app, to your LG TV. Thank you very much indeed.